I'm pleased to meet you today, this online industrial training supervision. Uh, Please, can you repeat your name again? What's your name, please? What's your name, please?
My name is Gijo.
Okay, okay. So, the name of your lab, please.
I do roads.
Okay. All right. Please, can you tell me the diagnostic tests you carry out in your lab, the tests that are being carried out in your lab?
We do malaria microscopy, we do spider tests, full blood counts, green MCS, LPS, MCS, swap, do swap, swap, do US swap, do semen analysis and MCS, kidney function test, liver function test, do fasting lipid profile, do full blood counts, do fasting blood sugar, also random blood sugar. We do fertility test. We do two FCS. We also do two analysis. Also, we do hormonal approval test.
Okay.
All
right. Okay, thank you very much. All right, so
yes.
I want to find out whether she has been regular during the time of the IT and punctual too.
Yes,
has she been? Okay, she has been regular and punctual. All right. What about her proficiency? Does she actually understand fast when you teach her the various procedures?
Yes, she do. She try. She really tried. But that first time that first week that she just resumed work, it was very difficult. She has difficulties. But after 1 month pass, that is when she started pick up some things. But right now she can do some tests and record the results.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So, when did she commence the IT? When did she start?
Is that?
When did she start? When did she commence the IT, the industrial training?
That was December.
December. Okay, she started in December. First week of December.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So, how do you carry out the fertility test? What's the procedure?
Fertility test. We have two methods of fertility test based on the machine that you make use of it. Now, but for we have wet method, we have dry method, but here we do dry method using ichroma machine.
Okay.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I'm
using
hearing.
ichroma.
Okay.
Ichroma machine. That one we not used to that one does not need to wash the cells. Why that one we just prepare based on the procedures that come with the prolactin, LH, FSH, progesterone procedures that come with the using.
Okay. Yes. All right. So you do white dot test too?
Yes, we do white dot test.
Okay, and the white dot test, you use the white dot kits to check for agglutination.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you said you do urine MCS as well.
Yes, we do urine MCS.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for your.
Welcome, sir.
So let me see and discuss with her now. I will send a form to you because you will need to also assess her. I'll send a form to you either through her or maybe you give me a number later. Text your number to me through a phone so that I'll send you a form through WhatsApp so that you assess it and snap it and send to me.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sent to me.
Come on.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Understood.
All right, Ntia, you're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. All right, so which tests were you taught in that lab?
So I can do malaria microscopy, malaria rapid diagnostic test, vital test, full blood count, packed cell volume test, different total white blood cell, stool microscopy.
Okay. All right.
Blood
So,
group and genotype test.
pardon? Okay, blood group and genotype.
Blood group, sir.
Okay. All right. So you can do blood grouping very well.
Blood group, yes, sir.
All right. How is it done?
So the sample is collected from the patient. Then we are going to use a clean white tiles, and we put the serum accordingly, the anti-sera A, anti-sera B, and anti-D on the slide, a drop. Then we put a drop of whole blood sample and we mix it thoroughly. Then we watch out for the agglutination, whichever one, which if
So-
anti-sera A,
Okay. Go ahead.
if anti-sera A shows a reaction and anti-D shows a reaction, that means the person is A positive. If depending on we use the reaction, the agglutination to determine the results or the blood group of the patient.
Okay. And explain on how various blood groups determined. You've told me one, then the others.
Okay, sir. So if anti-sera B shows agglutination and anti-D shows agglutination too, that means person is B positive. That is, anti-D is like a reagent, a rhesus factor. It shows the rhesus factor of the patient. If A and B react, means the person is AB. If A, B, and D react, means the person is AB positive. If
Okay.
A and B does not react and only D reacts, means the person is O positive. If none of them reacts, means the person is O negative. If anti-A reacts and anti-D does not react, means the person is A negative. And if B reacts and D does not react, it means the person is B negative.
All right. That's good. So what's the importance of blood grouping?
The importance of blood group.
Why is it important for someone to know his or her own blood group?
It is important for you to know your blood group in the terms in a situation where you need to give out blood transfusion. You need to know your blood group when donating, and then you also need to know your blood group for compatibility in case somebody wants to get married and the person is the woman is negative, the husband is positive, in case they have a child, so that they if they get pregnant, if the lady gets pregnant and her child is positive while she's negative, they will not be they will not be a problem in a child that has antibodies will not attack the red blood cells of the child and cause miscarriage or jaundice in the child. And also for blood transfusion, it is a test done to screen out.
Hold on, please. You said if the husband is positive, rhesus positive, and he marries a woman that's rhesus negative, and the child
Yes.
The child is will now have the rhesus positive, and they said it will not cause any problem. Did you say it will cause any problem? Did you say it would not cause problem?
If she doesn't take the injection ROGAM, it is going.
Pardon? Pardon?
There's going to be a condition known as erythroblastosis fetalis. That is, her antibodies are going to attack the red blood cells of the child.
That's if
She might have a miscarriage.
But
If
earlier I
the
said
baby is
but you said earlier that it won't have a problem. That was why I asked that question.
and the problem is the miscarriage that I'm talking about. She might have a miscarriage, or the child will be born unhealthy with a condition such as jaundice.
Okay. All right. The first explanation is better when you said there will be erythroblastosis fetalis. So what is erythroblastosis fetalis?
Yeah.
What's erythroblastosis fetalis?
That is the condition where the antibodies of the cells attack of the mother cells attack the red blood cells of a child. That's when that condition, aristoblastosis fetalis, comes up.
And it results to what? It causes what?
It could cause the death of the child.
Okay, okay, that's good. So that rhesus factor, what's responsible for that rhesus factor?
What is responsible for the rhesus factor?
Yeah.
So, according to what I understand, they are antigens and antibodies. So the rhesus factor, the anti-sera D is an antigen. Anti-D. So it determines
Rhesus,
if the person.
okay, yeah, you are making a point. It's the rhesus antigen, okay, the rhesus antigen. All
Yes.
right, now, what's the cause of agglutination in the blood when you did the test? What causes the reaction?
Now, what causes the sorry, sir. Let's on, sir.
Agglutination.
The check. Okay. I'm having a supervision. Sorry, sir.
All right.
So what causes? So you say the question again.
Okay, don't worry about that.
What causes the?
Don't worry. Let me see your logbook. Let me see your logbook. Logbook. Can I see a logbook? Logbook.
My logbook. Okay, sir. Hey, Jesus. How am I going to put it?
Show me the first page that has your passport. The first page, the cover. The first page.
I have not put in my passport.
Oh, why haven't you fixed your passport yet?
So I'll do that.
Okay, then the next page, the first page in the daily task report.
Sir, okay. This is how it is. This is how it was filled because what my director wanted. He wanted me to be filling it topic by topic.
Topic by topic. So let me see what you wrote there on the first day.
Introduction to laboratory.
You can turn it and read. Read, let me.
Okay. Equipment in the laboratory. Accessory apparatus in the laboratory. Types of waste being used in lab. Safety precautions in the laboratory and rules in the laboratory.
See, what you did there is very wrong. What you did there is very wrong. You are supposed to write what you did each day.
So this is what my director wanted, but I have a photocopy of this logbook and I've been filling it daily too, but it's not with me here.
So that's what you're supposed to do. Not so because of that, now you're going to score very low now because you wrote what's not supposed to be there. What you're supposed to do is to write what you did each day. That's why it is divided into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to Saturday. So on Monday, you're supposed to write what you did on that Monday. If on the first day of your arrival, you were given orientation, shown to various parts of the lab, you write it. Then maybe maybe the next week or that same day or the next day, you did malaria parasite test, malaria parasite test, you write malaria parasite test, or we carried out malaria parasite test and whiteout test if you did whiteout test as well. That's all. Just
I've done this in another place, but the book is not with me presently. Can I still show it to you at a later time?
and that will be, you would have done that before now. You know you would have assessed on that. So you would have done that before now. Let me see your description of work done. Description of work done.
But since I had already filled it that way, this is what I did.
The description of work done. I'm not seeing it clearly. The page that you described what you did. I'm not seeing any writing. It's only diagram. The diagram.
That's what my director said me to do.
Okay, just diagrams. What you did in you in this other page, you were expected to write in detail each of the tests you carried out. Like if you carried out blood grouping and blood group, write it as a title, then write the apparatus that were used, then the procedure for carrying out blood group test. The procedures for carrying out blood grouping and how results are being interpreted, just as you just explained. And then it's after you have explained, you can now draw the tile or any reagents you used, if possible. Is that understood? Is that understood? That's what you're expected to do. You describe, like the MP test, malaria parasite test, you write it as a title, then explain the procedure to the end, and also write how results are being interpreted. It's after you've done that, you now include diagrams where necessary. So that's where you're supposed to do proper description. Then in the other side, you're supposed to just write what you did each day, briefly, in a brief form. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
So you can still correct it because your logbook will still be assessed when you return. So do that. And,
yes, sir.
All right. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's all for now. All right, bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.